All right, welcome. Hey Google, stop music. So in this one, I've just told Claude Sonnet to create an. Where's my prompt? Create an AI-powered application that transforms static photographs into realistic 4-second animated videos with natural motion and lifelike movement. And this is the prompt it wrote for me. I'm going to copy this, and we're going to go over here to Opal, which is 4 days old. Opal, build, edit, and share many apps using natural language. We're going to click Start a New App. Down here we're going to say type what we want to build, and we're going to copy paste. Everything in. So let's see. We just basically imported this whole piece of information describing an application, the AI-powered application that transforms static photographs into realistic 4-second animated videos. Oh wow, we're done already? Okay, so here is our flow. Input photograph, motion intensity, animation style, describe the desired animation style, environmental effects. Okay. So we basically need to import a photo, give it the motion intensity, animation style, and environmental effects. Generate video instructions, generate animated video. Okay, let's try it. Untitled Opal app. Start. We're going to upload an image. Let's see. I've got a good one down here of me swinging a softball bat somewhere. There we go. Boom. Okay, so we're importing our image. Press. Yeah, okay. Desired motion intensity. So we're going to say slow motion and from right to left. Describe the desired animation style. Smooth. Add environmental effects. Sunlight. Okay, so as you can see, it's working through the process. God, this is just totally crazy that you can build stuff like this and it works. So it's showing you, what it's working on. So it's importing the photo through the generate video instructions, right? These are the instructions, the 3 questions I just answered going through. Now it's going into generating the animated video. Again, the picture is of me swinging a softball bat. We'll see that here in just a minute. Generate the animated video, and then lastly, display the animated video. But yeah, we're at 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And we already have a presumably working product. I mean, this is going to be what it's going to look like when you launch it. Of course, you can change the way it looks, right? You can add your image here, your one-page landing page, login information. You can snazz it up over here. With Opal, you can swap back and forth between the app and the editor. So if you want to edit the way something looks, you can do that and then pop over to edit the app. Other controls, we have user inputs, generate, output, and add an asset. Yep, we're still waiting on this to finish. Opal is brand new. This dropped 4 days ago and was built by Google. Some people are calling it a N8N killer, most likely because of just the way you can, work on the flow, the way it's visually presented to you. But so far so good. Everyone's a novice user, right? 4 days into it. But this definitely looks very incredible, and your imagination is your only roadblock to what you can build with something like this. Alright, now it's working on displaying my animated video. I specifically wanted this video to be 4 seconds long. Reason being is if you're making ads, or you're making YouTube videos or product videos, a lot of times they're very short, and you can slide in a 2, 3, 4 second video, no problem, to kind of transition from one spot to the next. That's crazy. I mean, the ball disappears back here, and that's not my softball stance. But it also looks like the ball's coming out of this weird spot down here in the pitch. Yeah, looks like it comes out of the ground. So while not 100% perfect, I mean, this is doable, Like, I could almost use this image to just crop out a section that I'm using as a background in something, or just a quick animated motion, or a quick ad about softball, cutting out the very end where the ball disappears and cutting out the very beginning where the ball just kind of pops up out of the ground. We'll watch that again. Yeah, the whole beginning of that video is good. So that's incredible. Like, we're only 8 minutes into this 8 minutes into this video, and I've not only have I built a mini application that turns images into motion videos of 4 seconds long, I've got something to build off of application wise, and that is just absolutely amazing. So thanks for checking out the video. This is just a quick introductory walkthrough of Google's Opal, which is fantastic so far. And the video is not perfect. Oops. You can see the bat there too from the picture. That coloration there, I guess, is from the bat being swung. God, look at that line out to left field. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely something that is potentially usable in a lot of cases, and especially if it's like a bridge or B-roll, that sort of thing, in a advertisement or a video. It could definitely work. So thanks for checking out the video. This one's been too long as it is. 9 minutes to create an application. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button for more, and let me know if you want to talk about things like AI automation or web development or digital advertising. Thanks for checking out the video. Y'all take care.